The Spectrum TV app on Xumo boxes can get stuck loading or crash due to a few key reasons. Software and hardware compatibility issues are a big factor, especially with older Xumo models that may not have enough processing power or memory. Network problems like unstable Wi-Fi or slow internet speeds below 10 Mbps can also prevent the app from loading properly, as it needs a good connection to Charter's servers. Expired login tokens or corrupted app data are other common culprits. Recent developments, including firmware updates and AI diagnostics, are improving things, but these issues persist for some users. Start with the basics by restarting your Xumo box. Power off the box, wait 30 seconds, then turn it back on to clear any temporary glitches. Make sure your internet connection is stable. Check your connection speed and try using an Ethernet cable instead of Wi-Fi for better reliability. Clear the Spectrum app's cache and data through the Xumo settings menu. This can resolve loading and crashing issues by removing corrupted temporary files. Check for and install any available updates for both the Xumo firmware and the Spectrum app. These updates often fix bugs that cause loading or crashing problems. If these steps don't work, consider a factory reset of the Xumo box or reach out to Spectrum support for more advanced help. Many cases resolve without expert assistance. If the solutions above do not work, consider that older Xumo boxes may become unsupported by 2027, pushing users toward newer models with better app stability.